Peace and blessings to all my emperors and empresses. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. To anyone that's new here, please make sure that you subscribe. Or if you've been here for a long time and haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that button. And then hit the bell next to it and click all so that you receive like notifications of when I'll have a live chat or what types of videos I'll be doing uploads on, because I do the Natty dreads and I'm incorporating nutrition and weight loss or whatever into another little segment that I'll have. And then also, what else? Something else. Oh, my story times. I'll have a few story times posted, and then maybe, you know, beauty for women or so. Okay, but today I am talking about, oh, and this is a negative free zone. So please be mindful of your comments, because anything negative, derogatory, any foul language will be, removed from the comment section. Thumbs up the video. These are types of videos that you like to know about. This is going to be about health and your hair. Basically, nutrition and your hair, and how it correlates. I did one before, and what did I call it? Oh, what you put in is what you get out. And that was the title of it. Didn't get that many views, so I'm just going to be direct about what this is about. It's the same thing. Okay, so again, I am not a doctor. I would consult with a doctor if if you have changes that you would like to make, in regards to, if you want to lower your blood pressure, if you want to gain more energy, gain more strength, if you want, if you feel like, your body is just not right or whatever, if you want to gain weight, I mean, just different things, you should always consult with a holistic doctor, or, if you prefer going to like a regular doctor or so, just, consult someone. I'm just giving out information as I receive it and stuff that I've experienced and what I've been doing. So, of course, I always talk about everybody should drink over a gallon of water a day. That is just like, I mean, that's just self-explanatory. Our body is made up of over 80% water. So make sure that you're replenishing your body. Make sure that you always keep that going. I always have mine. I tried drinking it out of a cup. That just takes too long to have to keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring, because I drink so much of it. What else? Oh, okay. And I will be talking about this is a book that I just got from the doctor's office. It's called The African American Vegan Starter Guide. And it's for those who really want to, possibly go that route. It's not something I'm forcing on anybody or whatever. However, I haven't eaten beef or pork in over 31 years. Pasta, rice, potatoes of any form. No potatoes whatsoever. No yams, no white potatoes, nothing. And definitely no pasta for over 15 years, because my daughter is 12. I can't say how long it's been for the chicken and fish. I mean, and turkey and stuff like that. I can't say. Um, and this is something I have been doing with my daughter. Okay. And as I go through it, I'll let you know some of the things that I do and what I've been doing lately. Outside of, I mean, for the past year, I've been into green smoothies and stuff. And after May, I would say, I think that we did a 10-day cleanse in May. I want to say it was in May. I just kept going, kept going, kept going until I just like let go, even like the whole grain bread, any form of bread whatsoever. Um, that was something, I don't know. I just it bread always made me feel full. Something I just didn't want to do, anymore. And I stopped during that time. I stopped and I never went back to it. Okay, so let me just go over some of the things. This is if you are trying to keep a well stocked fridge, and just have some healthy things around for you, your children. There's children that are pre-diabetic. Um, you may be diabetic or anything. I mean, diabetes may run in your family. Doesn't mean that you have to have it. I mean, if you eat healthy, that doesn't mean that you have to, say, oh, okay, because my mom is diabetic and my dad is diabetic, I'm definitely going to be diabetic. No, we're not going to think that way. We're going to think, okay, if I control my eating and make sure that I follow a decent regimen and don't put toxins and stuff into my body, then good stuff will come out. So that's where we at. So as far as fresh fruit, apples, avocados, I love avocados, bananas, mixed berries, cherries, cucumbers give off so much water when you juice them or when you put them when you make them in a smoothie. Kiwi, peaches, pears, plums. I have to add to it cantaloupe. I was listening to Avi Unfiltered, and she was talking about cantaloupes and how lively they had her feeling. So I went out and I brought me a cantaloupe today. So I went out and brought me a cantaloupe. Sorry about that. That's my phone. Went out and brought me a cantaloupe today, so I'm gonna see how lively and festive I feel after after that. But I know one thing for sure: cantaloupe and ginger always work with my stomach and make my stomach feel nice. Okay, herbs and spices that you have in your cabinet: basil, cayenne. I love cayenne. I love basil, cilantro, cinnamon. It has to be the right kind of cinnamon. Now, um one of the people that come in on Sundays, one of the empresses that come in on Sundays, Empress Sahar El, she gave me the right cinnamon that you're supposed to have. One is good and one is supposed to be kind of bad for you. So I don't want to say like what type of cinnamon because I don't have it now. But if you come in on a Sunday and she's there, I'll make sure that I ask her that question. Um just put it down in the comments section that you'll be coming this coming Sunday. She usually comes on Sundays. Okay. Dill, fennel, ginger, nutritional yeast. Right, nutritional yeast. Oregano, parsley, rosemary, thyme, and turmeric. I don't eat dried fruit, but they say that apricots, cherries, figs, prunes, raisins, and dates. I want to say it's medjool dates, a specific kind of dates. I don't eat dates. Oils that you should be using: coconut oil, flaxseed oil, hemp seed oil, olive oil, and sesame oil. Some good vegetables. Now, I have been doing a lot of vegetables, so I can tell you. And I go to the garden around the corner from my house, and they give the community free um vegetables and stuff. And my daughter used to be a part of that program for a couple years. Broccoli, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, collards, dandelion greens, kale, definitely kale, mustard greens, spinach, Swiss chard, um, and it says mixed frozen vegetables. I prefer like organic, fresh, but with my fruit, it's funny because for my smoothies, I prefer frozen. I don't know. I just trust the frozen ones better as far as not having like a lot of pesticides and stuff. Okay, I don't do sweeteners. I don't even want to go over that. Well, okay, somebody else may. I don't want to go over that. Breads, tortillas, and crackers that you can have in the house: spelt bread, sprouted grain bread, cinnamon, raisin, sesame, etc. Whole grain crackers, whole grain pita bread, whole grain tortillas. Nuts and seed butter: almond butter, cashew, peanut butter, sesame butter, or tahini made from sesame seeds. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of this. That's just some of the stuff that you can hear. Some of the whole grain pastas and noodles. I'm just going to name a couple: angel hair fettuccine penny. Some of the condiments and spreads you can have: barbecue sauce, black hummus, ketchup, mayo, egg free, pasta, marinara sauce, peanut sauce, pesto, plant-based milks are almond milk, coconut milk, hazelnut, hemp milk, oat milk, rice milk, soy milk. Now my daughter has done almond milk. I did almond milk a long time ago, and I don't do any at all now. Um, Not even almond. But my daughter has done the almond milk and the soy milk, and she likes it. Oh, nuts. Let me go over some nuts because this is good. Love flax seeds. I always have to put those in my smoothies because it has omega-3 in it. And with me not doing like fish and stuff like that, I gotta have my omega-3, you know. Pistachios are good. Pecans are good. Walnuts. I put walnuts in my smoothies too. Those are good with omega-3 as well. Cashews are good. Did I say almonds? Almonds. Beans. Lentils. I need to get back into beans. I haven't really been into beans since I was a child. I think I was traumatized. So let me just keep it real. Me and beans are not friends. But I was told that I need to add some lentils. They have French, green, or red, or any kind of beans. And I'm like, okay. Okay. So that's basically it. I mean, I try to eat as many salads as possible. I definitely do 2 green smoothies a day. Um, we don't eat out unless we do have a vegan restaurant around here that we'll go to. And my daughter has been mostly eating from there lately. I haven't been, and it's just strictly because of the fact that what I was eating there was on bread, and I stopped eating bread. And I think if you took away the bread with that particular item, that it would take away from the whole pleasure of it. So my daughter, she's still going there getting what she likes to get. But other than that, just be mindful of the things that you put into your bodies. Oh, and just an FYI for those that have been vaping, and I'm saying this because someone in Illinois passed away. And they said like 2 people probably passed away, and a lot of people have gotten sick. Be very mindful. You can go to Google and you can find out online. If you're vaping THC, look at the packaging if you're not buying it from a legit dispensary, preferably like a legit dispensary like in Illinois is legal. So there's over, I think, like 30 dispensaries here, 10 in the Chicago area, and I think they said like 21 in the outer suburbs or whatever. Um, Supposedly everything that comes through the dispensaries are um, definitely supposed to be real. If you're getting it from somebody else, you have to be very mindful because you may find out, you may look up online and find that the TKO or the cookies, the different stuff that they have made by the cookies brand, that they sell those packagings on eBay. I've seen it for myself. I've seen fake cartridges. I've actually seen fake cartridges, and not online, in person. I've seen fake cartridges, and I saw what the real cartridges was supposed to look like. TKO, they don't even do they do all disposables. So they have a pen that comes with whatever cartridge they have is already attached to a pen, and you throw it away. They don't do like the cartridges that you could put on a pen. They have all disposables. So if you have anything by TKO and it's not on a pen, they stop. They stop because so many people were copying them. Just be mindful. I mean, because some people take it for anxiety, depression, pain, a lot of different things, and I'm totally not against it. Believe me, I'm not against it. It's just now, I mean, everybody has always been mocking and copying stuff and making things bad, and just be mindful. I would hate for somebody to get sick. um for trying to get well. You know what I mean? All right. So hopefully you all got a little something from this one. I know it's not your regular, oh, let's talk about Nazi dreadlocks, hair. How can my hair get super long and thick? Well, that is part of how your hair can get super long, or healthy. Let's not say long. Let's say, but people come to me and say super long and thick, so that's why I said that. But let's say healthy. How can your hair be healthy? How can you keep the moisture in your hair? Cucumbers, excellent. Put it in your water. Drink it every day. Um, Putting back all the water that you need to replace in your body. I mean, especially if you're outside sweating, you may need to drink even more. Just keeping your body refreshed at all times, making sure that you drink an adequate amount of this, which is half your body weight. I say just drink over a gallon, period. At least over a gallon. At least a gallon. To try that. And if you've heard about the bottled water, I don't know, people that were buying like a whole bunch of, I forgot the brand. I wrote it down. But some of the bottled water are saying that they're actually tap water. Comment down below if you heard about any of that. Comment down below if you've made any changes to your eating habits have changed and you've noticed the difference in your hair at all. Since this isn't like the first time I've talked about this. I talk about it a lot, you know. Comment down below if you've made some changes and noticed some differences. Thumbs up if you like to hear, you know, about changing from the inside out, you know, and knowing that it is an inside job. That if your inside organs are not functioning properly because of the stuff that you're putting in your body, like cigarettes and stuff like that, and alcohol, and, you know, foods that are not prepared correctly, then you have to know that that's going to definitely show, you know, on your outer. So I just want to say that if you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching until the end. If you made it all the way to the end, let's say make sure that you comment health. Make sure that you comment health to let me know that you made it all the way to the end. All right. Peace and love, everyone.